Guys, in this video I will show you how to share Snapchat on Facebook. Firstly, you need to get up and open your Snapchat account by selecting the Snapchat application. Then what you need to do, just simply get up to your settings by tapping on the profile section on your left upper side and getting through the settings bar on your right side. Now you need to scroll down and go for memories, and here in this factory, memories are on the who can selection. Click on memories, and as you can see on down section on the save button, you have that option for getting through memories and camera roll. Just click on memories and camera roll, get back, go again, and there needs to be auto save to memories, get back, and now just go to your photo session on your Snapchat. Then you need to make a photo and just go for save. Then you need to go to your profile section, and for example you'll need to go for your story by adding here on this side. Click or on this side, go for the photo that has been saved from Snapchat. And that's it, guys. Here with this we have shared the Snapchat on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.